Heartily welcome, my dear students. I hope you have understood chapter 6 Animals, Habitat and Adaptation and read the chapter from the textbook also. Now, let's start with the exercise of the chapter 6. First of all, objective type questions are there, in that filling the blanks. First one is, an area where a particular animal naturally lives is called its territory or habitat. The correct answer is habitat. Second one is, it is usually very hot during the day and very cold at night. Is it desert or forest? As you know, deserts are very hot during day and very cold during night. So correct answer is desert. Third one is, dash are world's largest habitats. Is that oceans or forests? The correct answer is oceans. Oceans are world's largest habitats. Fourth one is, a snail has a dash to protect its soft body. Shell or cuticle? A snail has shell to protect its soft body. So correct answer is shell. Fifth one is, frogs breathe through their dash on land. That is lungs. Frogs breathe through their lungs when on land, and they breathe through their moist skin when they are in the water. Now let's start second exercise, that is state true or false. First one is, a forest is a large area that is rich in plants and animals. This is correct statement. Forest is a large area that is rich in plants and animals. Second one is, water is in abundance in a desert. This is false statement because water is scarce or less in a desert. Third one is, the ocean is a large continuous body of fresh water and covers 2/3 of the earth's surface. This is false statement because water of the ocean is salty water, not fresh water. Fourth one is, all animals show the same kind of adaptations which help to survive in different climates. This is false statement because different animals have different adaptation on the basis of the climate. Fifth one is, most reptiles have scales that prevent loss of water from their bodies. This is correct statement. Next exercise is, choose the correct options. First one is, where do most insects live in the forest? On trees, in the air, on the forest floor, or all of these? The correct answer is on the forest floor. Second one is, which of these is not found in desert? Camel, rattlesnake, ground squirrel, or yak? The correct answer is yak. Yak is not found in desert, it is found in mountain regions. Third one is, which of these live only in water? Shrimps, frogs, salamanders, and crocodiles. The correct answer is shrimps. Frog, salamander, and crocodile lives both on water and land. Fourth one is, which of these shed their skin periodically and get a new one? Crocodiles and lizards, snakes, snails and tortoise, or alligators? The correct answer is snakes. Snakes shed their skin periodically and get a new one. Fifth one is, which of these helps insect to breathe? Lungs, spiracles, gills, or moist skin. The correct answer is spiracles. Insects breathe through spiracles, that are small holes along the side of their bodies. Sixth one is, which of these animals has spines on its body? Porcupine, snail, chameleon or fish? The correct answer is porcupine. Seventh one is, which of these have hollow bones? Birds, snakes, fish or insects? The correct answer is birds. Birds have hollow bones which help them to fly. Last one is, what is the thick pad in the upper and lower jaw of grass-eating animals known as? Is it dental pad, jaw pad, teeth pad or food pad? The correct answer is dental pad. Next exercise is, match the following columns. First one is bird. Birds have feathers to fly. Second one is bear. Bear has fur as a body covering. Third one is snail. Snail has shell as a body covering. Fourth one is crocodile. Crocodiles have scales as a body covering. Fifth one is beetle. Beetle has cuticle as a body covering. Next one exercise is very short answers. In that, give two examples are there. First one is animals that live in caves. Animals that live in caves are lions, tigers, bears and bats. Second one is animals that have a shell on their body. Animals that have shell on their body are tortoise, snail and turtle. Third one is animals that have scales on their body. Animals that have scales on their bodies are fish, snakes, crocodiles, lizards, etc. Fourth one is animals that have fins. Animals that have fins are fish, dolphins, whales. Last one is animals that breathe through holes on their bodies. Animals that breathe through their holes on their bodies are grasshoppers, cockroaches, etc. Next exercise is, give one word for the following. First one is the mechanism of blending with the surroundings, that is called camouflage. Second one is special structures through which a fish breathes, that is gills. Third one is special structures through which insects breathe, that is spiracles. Fourth one is back limbs of an animals, that is hind limbs. Fifth one is fin-like structures in seals and penguins, that is flippers. Now let's start answer the following. What is a habitat? Name 5 habitats found on the earth. Answer is an area where a particular animal naturally lives is called its habitat. An area where a particular animal naturally lives is called its habitat. The habitats on the earth are forests, deserts, polar regions and mountains, oceans and fresh water like rivers, lakes and ponds. Second question is, what are the characteristic features of teeth in herbivores? Some animals eat only plants and plant products. They are called herbivores. Grass-eating animals such as cows, buffaloes and goats have thick pad called the dental pad in the upper jaw and sharp incisors in the lower jaw. These help them to hold and pull the grass and leaves. They also have broad premolars and molars that help them to grind and chew the grass. Rodents such as squirrels, rabbits and rats have very sharp front teeth to gnaw nuts and seeds. Third one is, what is camouflage? Name one animal that shows camouflage. Body covering of some animals match their surroundings. This mechanism is called camouflage. Animals such as chameleon shows camouflage. Chameleon can change its body color to match the surroundings. Fourth one is, explain with examples the different kinds of body coverings that animals have. Animals have different kinds of body covering such as scales, shell, wool or fur and feathers. First of all, scales. Fish are covered with a layer of flexible overlapping scales. The body of reptiles such as snakes, crocodiles and lizards too are covered with scales. Most reptiles have horny scales that prevent loss of water from their bodies. Next is shell. Animals such as snails, tortoises and turtles are protected by a shell. When these animals sense danger, they withdraw their head and feet into the shell. Third one is wool or fur. Animals such as the sheep and bear have special body coverings. A sheep's body is covered with wool and bear's body is covered with fur. These coverings protect them from rain and cold. Fourth one is feathers. Birds have feathers as their body covering. Wings are covered with feathers that help them to fly. They also protect the birds from rain and cold. Next one is, define the following. First one is molting. Shedding of skin to acquire a new one is called molting. Second one is adaptation. Changes in the features or behavior of an organism that help it to survive in its habitat is called adaptation. Third one is camouflage. Body covering of some animals match their surroundings. This mechanism is called camouflage. Fourth one is fins. Fins are special structures on the bodies of fish, dolphins and whales which help them to swim. Fifth one is flippers. Fin-like structures in penguins and seals are called flippers. Last question is, explain with examples the different kinds of breathing organs found in animals. Different types of animals have different organs for breathing. Human beings and sheep breathe through their nose. From the nose, air is carried to special organs called lungs. Fish have special structures called gills through which they breathe. Frogs and earthworms breathe through their moist skin. Frogs also breathe through lungs when on land. Insects such as grasshoppers and cockroaches breathe with the help of series of tiny holes along the sides of their bodies. These holes are called spiracles. Students, you have to write objective type question in the textbook itself and question answers in Fairbook. Thank you, dear students.